So I would request Ankur ji if he can take first YouTube question. Ankur ji.
Yes, there is one YouTube question from a viewer, sir. RERA, GST, demonetization, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Swachhta Sarvekshan, completion of infra projects in record, and so much more. The list is endless. Almost everything that this government does has no precedents to take lessons from. Where is the courage to go forwards with these positively disruptive steps derived from? Thank you, sir.
देखिए, when I'm in my reflective thinking and teaching mode, and I think, and also in one of the Nehru Memorial lectures which is published, I talk about continuity and change, and I keep saying that the old me, I said, because we are part of the continuity, we are part of it, we don't see the change, because change takes place slowly. Change takes place in small incremental steps, and we don't see it. But in Modi ji's government, there is an absolute difference, fundamental difference. I don't know whether I should share this or not on this platform, but I will. He once gave me an assignment, much before I became a minister. And he told me, ki you go to this place, spend a week, don't tell anyone who you are. Koi kisi, to aap log, you've been in government service, you must be knowing people who are in politics, and go quietly, incognito, spend a week there and come back and tell me. मैं न्यूयॉर्क में रहता था उस समय, मैं गया, मैं आया, मैंने उनके पीएस थे, उनको बताया कि मैं हो आया हूं, मेरे को कल न्यूयॉर्क जाना, मैं अगले 2-3 दिन में, क्योंकि कुछ इनपुट चाह रहे थे, मैं हाथ से रिपोर्ट लिख के आपको भेज दूंगा. वो 1-2 दिन में क्या 3 दिन लग गए होंगे, तो आई गॉट अ कॉल कि वो रिपोर्ट नहीं आई आपकी, तो मैंने भेज दी एकदम. मैं इस इनपुट देने के बाद भूल गया. I met him once and he told me कि आपको याद है मैंने आपको यहाँ पे भेजा था. मैंने कहा बिल्कुल याद है, मैंने रिपोर्ट दी थी. You know what he told me? He said then he mentioned a number of people whom he had sent on a similar assignment. And I was marveling at the thoroughness of this approach. He wanted my opinion. I gave it to him after doing my work, but he had other opinion. So, when he took his decision, he had all the facts before him. And he was able then to shift those facts, give it to somebody who in turn, and then thoroughly. The kind of meetings that we are doing these days in the context of Atmanirbharta, not only in presentation. I mean, I am not sharing a secret, it's in public domain. कभी अखबारों में भी आ जाती है कौन सी मीटिंग हुई. इतनी थरोनेस मैंने कभी नहीं देखी. जब उन्होंने डिसीजंस लिए हैं, देखिए आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पार्टी मैनिफेस्टो देख लो, 5 उन्होंने जो हमने मैनिफेस्टो में 4 कर दी. These are not continuity and change, where change is taking place in small steps. When we went for abrogation of 370, it was one immediate go. This is the difference. If your question is where does the courage come from, that I think was the question that asked, where does the courage come? Courage comes from conviction. Courage comes from faith that what you are doing is the right thing. And courage and conviction both are anchored in inclusivity. अगर मुझसे आप 5 साल पहले पूछते कि राम जन्मभूमि, I would not know the answer. On 370, I would have said क्या होना चाहिए, पर कैसा होना चाहिए? My father-in-law was a lawyer and he worked with Dr. Ambedkar, and I'm trying to take out those papers. He had been telling us that 370 will come and haunt us. It was a transient provision put in for some context. It became a millstone around our necks. Today I tweeted about something where, the then Chief Minister of Punjab said the work he had done for Constitution, in the drafting of the Constitution, helped refugee families like mine. I didn't know how these stars gather up. So the person I married, her father was doing things to rehabilitate refugees, and my family was a recipient of that. But I said, where does the courage come from? Courage comes from clear thinking. कि भाई ये करना है. And done beautifully, Ram Janmabhoomi, through the legal constitutional method. Both sides to the dispute are happy. The people who are unhappy are guys with an agenda. Well, that's a different thing. You know, you and I can produce heaven on earth. These guys will, because they were beneficiaries of a distortion for 70 years. So even me, some of them are my friend. मैं कहता हूं उनको यार कुछ तो शर्म करो यार, कुछ तो शर्म करो. सेक्युलरिज्म की बात करते हो, कहां से आएगी? By making the majority community feel like a persecuted minority. I mean, what are we discussing? I mean, through a constitutional means, we've been able to do these things. That's the issue. But it's not courage. It's conviction, clear-headedness, and a sense of purpose on the destiny of India. What is India about? If you have that faith, you're all right.